Hi there, so what we're doing now is we are working on the Ransomes Ace kind of handlebars, pushing this mower along, yeah. So we are going to just unscrew the bolts, and do you know what, I'm going to use my nice little Yankee screwdriver for this, I think. Oh dear, I don't really want to know. Let's just flip it over so that it goes in reverse, and wow, oh, bum. Right, so what we are going to do is put some WD-40 on that, and that's a little job that I think we're going to let soak in and get into those bolts, and that will do us in another video. Right, so these little old handlebars are really old. They're going to have to come off, so I'm going to just cut these off with a Stanley blade. I'm not really worried about marking the paintwork because it's all being repainted anyway. There we go. Oh, that's one, and you can see it's all rusted under there, but there's a clue more of the original colour. I'm going to take the other handlebar off after I finish filming, and now all I've got to do is rub all this old paintwork down. I won't bore you with the details. I'll catch you another time. Come back and see us soon.